thinks that Kyle will probably, based on this pace, probably run out of fuel with 2 to go. In fact, he's saying that the pressure is fluctuating now. Be very ready.
There it is.
And here he comes. Here he comes, guys.
Wow. Kyle Busch gives up the lead.
Got to make sure the pressure's up. We got to make sure the pressure's up. I got stop. Go. All the way.
Oh, hang on.
Now we're going to get that caution.
Caution is out.
Oh, man. Poor Kyle Busch.
Oh, my goodness.
And this, as they say, changes everything. Who's going to win it?
That cross, bud, the tires a little bit there. He's losing a lot of time. See Kyle Busch coming up through.
Oh, the leader's sliding.
Yes, he overdrove the corner. So did Kyle.
Like a lot of them overdrove.
Here comes Jimmy.
White flag. The next flag ends the race. Kurt Busch leading Jimmy Johnson 4 car lengths down the hill. Jimmy Johnson not close enough as long as the fuel holds out. Under power and coming under the checkered flag. Kurt Busch wins it.